Children, the term environment. Okay, it is not a new term to you. I think so, isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, whenever we were visiting a place, children, we can see many of the things in and around us. What all things can we see when we travel or when we look around us? What all things we can see?
Mountains, trees,
Trees,
Yes, trees,
plants, flowers,
and
flowers.
rivers,
animals,
Yes, yes. Okay, so
animals,
children,
birds.
when we look around us, we can see many people. Okay, many people are there around us. Many things are there. Okay, then we can see birds, animals, trees. Okay, so which all things can be seen in and around us. That is our environment. Okay, it is the basic life support. Okay, so the things which we can see around us. Okay, people, things. Okay, then the things which are means the trees. All these referred as environment, isn't it, children?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
we are
Yes, ma'am.
celebrating Environment Day, isn't it, children? Which day we were celebrating Environment Day?
Ma'am,
June,
Huh?
June 5.
June 5th. Okay, June 5th, we are celebrating Environment Day and we are planting the trees. Why we need to plant the trees? Why we were planting the
to get
trees?
oxygen.
Hmm?
To get
Because we
oxygen. To get
Ah, yes.
oxygen.
Okay, yeah. Yes.
and
That we
we
will
get
discuss.
to
Ah,
also.
okay. So, children, many things we can see in and around us that refers to environment. So, let us study in detail about environment. I think most of this point you have learned in your sixth standard. So, my job it is easy. Children, place, people, things, and nature. Okay, means when we look around us, we can see many places. Okay, the places we are live in. Then the people and the things and the nature. What all things we can see around us? Okay, that referred or that is called as environment. Okay, environment. So it is a combination of natural and human made phenomena. What do you mean by natural things and human made things? What do you mean by natural things?
Ma'am, the natural things means that are naturally made.
That are naturally exist in the nature or in the place, isn't it,
Yes,
children?
ma'am. In which it is
Yes.
given by
That
Yes,
means
the.
ma'am.
air, water, land, and the place we live in, isn't it, children?
Yes.
Many things that are existed in the
Ma'am.
nature. Okay, it is
Yes,
not
ma'am.
made by human. Okay, that is land, air, water. Okay, all these are existed by nature. Okay, so and many things which are made by the humans. Okay, the humans made many things. They have built means buildings, parks, bridges, roads. Okay, then industries, factories, monuments. Okay, so many things. So when we look around us, we can see many things which are existed in the nature. Some things are made by or created or built by the humans, isn't it, children?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
and also we could see the people. Okay, that means an individual, a person, his family, and he belongs to a community, religion. Okay,
Ma'am,
then
community means different types of religions, caste, and
yes, okay, then religious community, then we know that economic condition, political situation, we belongs to a country. Okay, so like India. Okay, so the components also environment. What do you mean by environment? Place, people,
ma'am,
things,
everything that
and
we see
nature.
around us.
Yes, what all things we can see in and around us, that referred or that is called as
Blind living
environment.
organism.
Okay, that means the place where we live in, the people we can see in and around us, the things. okay, which are made by human, okay, human, or which are made by the people and the nature that surround us. This all, okay, which surround any living organism. Living organism means they can reproduce, they will grow, okay, they can reproduce, they can breathe, okay. So the living organism, it is called environment, and it is a combination of natural and human made phenomena. That means natural means that are existed in nature, okay, and human made things which are made by the humans. Can you tell me some examples, the things which are made by humans?
Ma'am, bridges, roads,
Yeah,
factories.
bridges, cars, monuments,
Buildings,
parks, buildings. Yes. Okay, all this was made by the human. So when we look into the environment, we can see the things which are existed in the nature. That means air, water, land. Okay, all this was not created by human, isn't it, children? It's already existed in the nature. Okay, and some things which are made by the humans. Okay, isn't it clear, children? Clear? Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
environment, the things which we can see around us. When we travel to different places, we can see the different types of plants and mountains, hills, okay, then the people, then the cars, buildings, okay. So these all refers to the environment. Okay, so environment, it is a combination of natural and human made phenomena. That means some things are existed in the nature, land, air, water, etc, and some things are made by humans. That means car, bridges, parks, monuments, okay, all this was made by the human. So it is a combination of natural and human made phenomena. Is this first point, it is clear to you, children?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Clear.
Ma'am,
Ah, yes, Ananya.
ma'am, what's the meaning of phenomena?
The made things, okay, which are made by the people, okay, or which are made by this one. Ashish, what is environment?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
places, human,
Ah,
things,
the place,
and nature,
people. Hmm.
and living
Hmm.
organisms
Now
are called
things
nature.
which surround living organisms. Okay, that means we can, when we look around us, we can see many things. Okay, that means
Yes, ma'am.
places, people, then many things. Okay, this all can be seen in and around us. That is environment, and it is a combination of natural and human-made things. Okay, so natural means which are existed in nature, it was not created by men, okay, and human made things means that the things which are made by the
Humans.
humans, okay.
Ma'am,
So
like
the
bridges,
natural thing,
roads.
what are the example for the natural things?
Ma'am, rivers,
Ah,
River, rock,
lakes,
land,
stone,
air,
rivers, then
water,
mountains.
yes, yes,
Ma'am, is
all these are existed in
land.
nature, which are not being created by men. And tell me some example for the human made things.
Ma'am, roads,
monuments,
bridges, buildings,
buildings,
monuments,
Bridges,
parks,
parks,
factories,
monuments.
parks.
and
Yes,
buildings.
And
yes.
mobile phones.
Okay. So these refers to the human made things. Okay. So now we will discuss what are the components of human, sorry, what are the components of environment? It is three: natural, human made, and human. So these three are the components of environment. That is natural, human made, and human. So natural means we have discussed, it is like the things which are existed in the nature, example land, water, air. And human made means the things which are made by human, example is roads, parks, bridges, etc. Then human, we the people, we are living with our family, we are following certain religion, and we are studying, okay, we were studying in educational institution, and the economic, we are doing our own occupations, and we belongs to a political country. Okay, means we belongs to one particular country. So this is mean by human. So these are the components of environment. Which are the components of environment? Natural, human made, and human.
Natural human made.
And human. Okay, human, the people. Okay, the people we live. Okay, the people who live in the country. Okay, or in an area. Natural means the things which are existed in that place. Human made means which are made by the human or by men. Yes. So the things which we can see around us, the land, air, water, and the things which are made by the human, that is human made things, and also we the people. Okay, the people who live in that area. This all refers to, or this is called the environment. These are the components of environment. So when we see around us, we can see these all things, right? The natural things are there, man-made things are there, and we people are living with these things. Okay, yes. So these are the components of environment. I think most of the terms are familiar to you. I think here lithosphere, that all we will study later. You know, children, uh, hydrosphere, atmosphere. You have learned it before, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Last year we studied.
Last year study.
And we studied in our 6th standard.
Okay. So here, you know, individual means what? What do you mean by individual? A person.
I'm alone.
Okay. Yes. Then his family. A person. He belongs to a family. He would have wife, children. Yes, parents. Then community. He belongs to a community. He must follow some religious belief, and he may be working or studying in an education, and he's working in somewhere, and he belongs to one country. Okay, so that is human. So the components of environment: natural, human made, and
Natural,
human.
made, and human.
Yes. And this natural refers to both biotic and abiotic. So the natural environment refers to, okay, we have seen that land, air, water, and all. So the world of living organisms, okay, that is called biotic. Okay, biotic refers to the world of living organism. It is there in the textbook. It is given in a column. Please mark it, children. The world of living organism, or all the living things, refers to biotic. That means plants, animals, people. The means the things which can grow, which can reproduce, which can move. Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. In the page 2, ma'am, on
It
that
is
bottom,
yes. The
biotic and
world of living
abiotic.
organisms, plants
Ma'am,
and
example
animals
plants and
refers
animals.
to
Biotic. Ma'am, and
biotic. Yes,
abiotic means
biotic.
the world of non-living elements.
Yeah.
Example
So what
plant.
do you mean by abiotic?
Ma'am, the
The
world of non-living animals.
non-living organism. That means non-living elements, rocks, water, air that do not have life. Okay, sunlight, wind, land, soil. All these are the examples for the abiotic. So the natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic, okay, conditions. Biotic means the world of living organisms. Example, plants and animals. Okay, which can grow. Okay, then abiotic means,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yeah.
Ma'am, is biotic and abiotic the world of natural living organisms?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes,
And
natural organisms comprises of biotic and abiotic. Both living and non-living things are existed in the natural environment. Okay, so biotic refers to,
biotic is under natural things, right?
sorry, Smriti.
Ma'am, biotic organisms and abiotic elements are part of natural.
Natural environment. Okay, yes. Both biotic and abiotic. That means both some things have life, some things have do not life. Okay, non-living and living organisms. So the natural environment refers to, okay, it refers to biotic and abiotic organisms. That means biotic means the world of living organisms, abiotic the world of non-living organisms or elements. Okay, so example, it's clear to you, plants and animals. Then non-living things do not have life at all. Okay, rocks, water, air, sunlight, wind, land, soil. It cannot grow, it cannot move. Okay, that means the non-living elements. Children, it is there in the textbook, page number 2. Place, people, things and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. Please mark it. And it is a combination of nature and human-made phenomena. The natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic condition existing on the earth. So environment, it is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the place where we live in. Okay, this all it is being provided by our environment.
Yes, ma'am.
So the natural environment, it refers to both living things and non-living things. Okay, biotic means the world of living organisms, abiotic the world of non-living organisms. Okay, see children, the components of environment, we know it has 3 components: natural, man-made and human. We have discussed. See children, for the natural surroundings, okay, the things which we can see or which are existed in the nature, that refers to air, water, land and living things that was not created by man. It was existed in nature. Okay, it is existed in nature. Then man-made things, it include all the things which are made by the human. Okay, that is buildings, parks, bridges, roads, monuments, industries. These all are the examples for the human-made things. Okay, then human, it include human related values and belief. For example, we as a people, our father or our grandparent, a person, his family, he belongs to a community, he is following a religion and he is studying or a part of an education system. Okay, then political situation, that means a country, economic scenario, he is working. Okay, working in some places. Okay, so these are the components of environment, that is natural, human made and human. Is it clear children? Is this example it is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what do you mean by environment? Place, people,
Place, people, things, and nature that surround
yes,
any living
okay, a
organism.
living organism that surround living organism, it is called environment. And which are the 3 components of environment? Natural, human made and human. Okay, what do you mean by natural?
The natural.
The things
Ma'am,
which
things
are
that already exist in the nature.
existed in the nature. Okay, examples:
Ma'am,
land,
air, water, land, living things.
yes, living things. Okay, then that means plants and animals. Then what do you mean by man-made?
Ma'am, it includes the things made by the humans.
Ah, yes, which includes which the things which was made by the human.
Human beings.
Example:
Ma'am, buildings, parks,
Building,
bridges,
parks,
roads,
bridges,
monuments,
Yeah.
industries. Ma'am,
Okay.
industries means
Then,
like factories.
yeah. What is the third component, Abhyuday? What is the third component of environment?
Human.
Human. Okay. It include human. Means related to his values and beliefs. That means his family, his community, religion, education, political scenario. That means the country. Then the economic conditions. Okay, so these are, so when see, just think about it, children. When we look around us, we can see these all things, right? We can see land, air, okay, water. We can breathe air. We can see water sources. Then land, and also we could see parks, buildings, cars, etc. And also many people who are following different beliefs, different community, who belongs to different community, and these all can be seen in and around us. Okay, so this all refers to environment. Okay, the place, people, things. Okay, is it clear, children?
It's clear, ma'am.
clear, ma'am.
So the place,
Yes, ma'am.
people, things, and nature that surround. Okay, any living organism, it is called environment. The things we can see around us. Okay, what all things we can see around us, that refers to the environment. It may be a people, means people, places, things. Okay, and nature. This all refers to environment, and we can see the things like which are existed in nature, the things which are made by human, and also be the people. Okay, the people, different types of people are living, those following different religion, different means family members. Okay, they are living in our country.
Ma'am, someone is
Yes.
unmuted. We can hear disturbance.
Who is not muted? I have muted all. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so environment, the components of environment. Okay, we have discussed about it. Anthony, what is environment? Unmute.
Ma'am,
Vaika,
Yes, ma'am.
what is
Can I?
environment?
People, things, and nature that surround any living organism is called environment.
Okay,
And it
Ashish,
is a
repeat the
combination
answer.
of
Okay, okay. Ashish, repeat it.
ma'am.
Now, place,
And the world of living organisms
now,
are all.
no. My question is environment.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am. Places, human,
Ah.
humans,
Place, people, things. Okay, place, people, things that surround any living organisms. Ashram
ma'am.
Krishna. Which are the components of environment?
Tree,
Which are they?
water,
Components of environment. Fidel.
Ma'am, the components of environment are nature,
Very good.
human life.
Yes, natural. That means the things which are existed in the nature. Namasya, tell me
Ma'am,
some
air,
example for the
land,
nature.
water, sunlight.
Yes. The things which are existed in the nature. Tell me some examples, Namasya.
Air, water, land,
Land, air, water. Okay. Then the second one, Fidel.
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
First one, natural. The second
And
one,
natural. Man-made.
man-made. Yes. Sri
Human.
Lakshmi, tell me some example for the human-made things.
buildings, roads,
Yes,
factories,
building, parks, roads, okay, which are made by the humans. Okay, then the third, Nia,
ma'am, human,
human. Okay, his family, his community, the religion. Okay, this refers to human. Ashram Krishna, are you there? Ashram, Amar, can you repeat the answer? Which are the components of environment? Unmute, unmute. We cannot hear you. Asna?
natural, human-made, human.
Yes, very simple, children. It is natural, human-made, human. Okay, which are the components of environment? Natural, human-made, human.
Natural, human-made.
Okay, that means just think about it, children. When we look around us, okay, when we see the things, we can see many people, and we can see the natural things which are existed in the nature, and also we can see the things made by the humans. Okay, Ashram Krishna, which are the components of environment?
Water, air, soil, living land.
It's still the answer is not clear, Ashram.
Ma'am,
Ah,
ma'am, water, air,
mm,
land.
okay, that's only you can see when you
Living things.
mm,
Non-living things.
non-living things. Okay, then
Atmosphere.
oh, air. You have said about air. See, just I'll be back. Geetika,
Natural, human, and human-made.
Ashram, did you hear the answer? Are
Ma'am,
you listening here?
Yeah.
Did you hear what Geetika said?
no, ma'am.
You were not listening over here. So, children, Devaganga, her video is off. See, children, the components of environment. Okay, it refers to natural, the things which are existed in nature. Is it clear? The second one is human-made things. Okay, the things which are made by the human, the people. Okay, the third one, we the people are living in a place, isn't it, children? So the human or the people who live in that country or an area. Okay, so this all refers to environment. Okay, then what do you mean by biotic? Ayan? So the natural, yeah.
The world of living organisms
The
for
world
all.
of living organism. Example, plants and animals. Okay, which has life. The things which has life, which can grow. Okay, which can move. So plants and animals. Okay, so biotic refers to the world of living organism. So what do you mean by abiotic?
Non-living.
Ma'am, the non-living things.
The world of non-living elements. Rocks. Okay, rocks. Then
Ma'am, like land,
yes, the
water.
things which do not has life at all.
The world
Okay,
of non-living elements.
yes. Okay, so the world of non-living organisms. Is there any confusion? This is very simple, isn't it? children?
Ma'am, it's simple.
Yes, very simple.
Ma'am, but the difference is.
And I think most of the points you have learned it before. Only
Yes.
sir.
only we need some
Yes, ma'am.
I
At
think
6th
2 or
standard.
3
No.
minutes we need to complete this lesson. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Let me take your